So about 6 years ago, I had a guest stay over for breakfast, and I decided to make her a ham and cheese omelet. 6 years later, that guest is my soon-to-be wife. So I guess you could say I make magic omelets. She's way out of my league. Today I want to show you how to make magic omelets in less than 5 minutes. So let's get to it. Hello and welcome back to cooking. In his brilliant book on food and cooking, Harold McGee says that if good scrambled eggs demand patience, a good omelette takes panache. Now, he is of course referring to the classic French omelette. It has no color on the outside, it is very moist and creamy on the inside, and it is also extremely difficult to make. On the other side of the spectrum, you've got a country-style omelette, which has some coloring on the outside. It is cooked all the way through generally, and it is kind of dry. Today I want to show you something that is somewhere in between the two. It is extremely easy in terms of technique, and it is more about timing. I'm going to start by showing you how to make a ham and cheese omelet, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make the fanciest version of this omelet. So without further ado, let's go into the kitchen. So the first step to getting this right is to use the right pan size for the right amount of eggs. I recommend a 24 centimeter pan for 2 eggs and a 28 centimeter pan for 3 eggs. So pick a pan and set it on medium heat. Next, you want to have all your ingredients ready before starting the omelette, so give the ham a quick chop, grate your cheese. I'm using some fine Gruyere because French. Then try to look cool cracking an egg with one hand and fail miserably. Then try to look cool by cracking an egg with one hand and still not nail it. Give the eggs a good whisk and then whisk some more, then check your pan's temperature. And no, you don't need an infrared thermometer, I just feel really cool using one. But you can also check using butter. If you hear some sizzling without any browning, the temperature is perfect. Then just throw your eggs in and start by seasoning with salt and pepper. I prefer to season once the eggs are on the pan because I have a better feeling on how much salt and pepper I need this way. Now take a look at how your omelette is cooking. You will usually find that one side is more liquid than the other, and that is the side you should add the rest of your ingredients on. That way you can flip the side that is more firm. Then add as much ham and cheese as you would like, and then carefully slide the spatula under the firmer side, making sure that the omelette is not stuck anywhere. Then just flip it to fold it in half. If you don't stick the landing, just gently slide the top part to make it look pretty. To serve, place the pan over your plate and gently lift the bottom edge to place it on the plate. Then just slowly slide the pan out to let the rest of the omelette fall on the plate. Right now the omelette might still look a little bit too liquid, but trust me, in about a minute it will be perfectly creamy. Now I'm going to show you an even fancier version that's vegetarian using caramelized onions, goat cheese, chives, and fig mustard. So preheat a pan, then slice your onions in half, making sure you cut the core out, then thinly slice them. Add some butter to the pan and start frying them on medium heat. This can speed up the caramelization process, but be careful, you don't want to color them. Season with some salt and sugar, then give it all a good stir, lower the heat, and put a lid on it. It takes about 20 minutes for the onions to caramelize on low heat, so in the meantime, you can prep the rest of the ingredients. Don't forget to give them a stir every now and then to keep them from browning. Once they are soft and caramel colored like this, they are ready. Now just preheat the pan, add the butter, throw in the eggs, and add your ingredients. Once it is ready, give it a flip. Nailed it! And this one came out perfect. If you press down on the omelette and find that it's still too liquid, you can let it cook a little longer. Now to plate it, I like to add some chives, a little balsamic cream, some fig mustard, and baguette slices. Voila, le fancy omelette. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it teaches you how to make magic omelets. Let us know in the comments below what you thought of this technique and what kind of fillings you're experimenting with. As always, you can find our recipes in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, we're a brand new channel and we really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, catch you on the next one. Why do French chefs only use one egg to make an omelette? Because one egg is enough. Un œuf? Enough?